hello! I'm little Willamo, and today we're going to learn about the cell membrane. Let's take a look at a cell. This is a cell. Now, magnify the very edges, please. This is the phospholipid bilayer. It is made up of a series of polar heads and nonpolar tails. There are also proteins embedded within the phospholipid bilayer. The cell membrane is selectively permeable and regulates what goes in and what comes out of the cell. What can go through the phospholipid bilayer, and how? Small nonpolar molecules can travel through the phospholipid bilayer. They tend to drift through gaps in the phospholipid bilayer due to probability. When particles from a higher concentration move to a lower concentration, this is called diffusion. This is an example of passive transport. For passive transport to occur, no energy is required. The particles go with the concentration gradient and move due to probability. Review. The concentration gradient is the difference of concentrations between two substances. Concentration is more like a percentage or a ratio. It is a relative value, unlike amount, which has to do with the overall quantity of something, in comparison to the amount of space it has. Larger molecules can still enter the cell. They just need a little help passing through the phospholipid bilayer. Facilitated diffusion is when diffusion occurs through a protein channel. Facilitated diffusion does not require energy because the particles undergoing diffusion go with the concentration gradient. When there is an equal concentration of particles on each side of the cell's membrane, there is an equal probability that a particle will move from one side to another, and vice versa. This means there is really no net movement at all. Net, as in total. This is called an equilibrium. Active transport gets particles across the cell membrane by using energy. Energy is needed because it goes against the concentration gradient. This means that it is going from a lower concentration to a higher concentration, so it needs a little boost. The energy used is in the form of a molecule called ATP. Active transport uses protein pumps. This concludes our presentation on the phospholipid bilayer and all things related. Hopefully, this has helped you prepare for the science midterm. From me, India, and Will, best of luck on your exams. Ooh, crackers.